Hello, good morning students. So let's take the new lesson today, that is the adventures of Toto from your Moments textbook. Lesson 2, the adventures of Toto. So now, who is Toto? Toto is the name of a monkey. This is a very mischievous monkey, in which the narrator's father brought a monkey from a Tonga driver for rupees 5 for his private zoo, because the narrator's grandfather had a private zoo. He used to keep many animals there. So when he went for Saharanpur, in one part, that he found a monkey with a Tonga driver, and he felt very pity of this monkey, and he bought this monkey for rupees 5, and he thought that that will be add one more animals to his private zoo. So he brought this monkey. But however, this Toto, the name was given as a Toto, he had mischievous in every part of his body. So he was very naughty. The narrator's grandfather kept Toto tied with a peg in the sacred place a little closest. It opened into the narrator's bedroom. So at first, narrator's grandfather do not want to show it to the narrator's grandmother. So that's why he hid this Toto, and he tied this next to the room of the narrators, the writers. Toto misfigured the narrator's bedroom by removing the ornamental papers from the walls, pulling out the pegs, and torn his school blazer. So very mischievous. So he began to spoil all the belongings of the narrators. So he torn the papers that is pasted on the wall. He torn even his the school blazers. In this way, he always makes some destructions in his home. The grandfather transferred Toto into a large cage in the servant quarter. Their grandfather's other animal, tortoise, rabbit, squirrel, goats, etc. lived. The monkey did not allow them to sleep peacefully. So when found that the Toto was very mischievous and he begins to damage the things, goods at home, so that's why he was transferred to the zoo. But there also he created the problem. He never allowed other animals to sleep. Grandfather had to leave Dehradun to collect his pension from Saharanpur. So one event happened that grandfather has to go to Dehradun, and as he knew that this Toto was very mischievous, he won't allow other animals to sleep, live in peacefully. So that's why grandfather decided to carry him when he go to the Saharanpur to collect his pension. Then he put the Totos in his bag. Okay. To travel in a big canvas kit bag with grandfathers, the ticket collector at the gate stopped grandfather when Toto grinned at him. So he kept in this bag, canvas bag, but when he was passing through the station, the ticket collector used to collect the ticket. That time the Toto came out from this canvas bag. Then this collector wants the ticket of this Toto too, because he said that without ticket these animals cannot travel with him. The ticket collector told the grandfather that he had a dog. This ticket collector called monkey as a dog. As because why? In his rules book, there is some animals names are mentioned there. If you take these animals, that is the price. If you take cow, goat, something else, because passenger trains, people used to carry some animals along with them. But in the list of his books, there is no mentioning about monkey. So that's why he called it a dog because he want to collect the money of the dog, as because there is no monkey in his book. So understood this one? So that's why he called monkey as a dog with him, and he would have to pay rupees 3 for it. So he charged extra 3 rupees you have to pay if you can travel or if you can carry this dog with you. But actually it is a monkey. I told you why he called it dog. Grandfather argued in vain, and the Toto was not a dog. He also told him that he had a pet tortoise also with him and asked how much he would have to pay. The ticket collector said that it was not a dog, so there was no charge. So other animals, he said, you don't need to pay, because he asked the money or he demand the money with those animals that is in his list. Others, if there is no list in his book, in his rules book, then he cannot charge this one. So this is how grandfather made these animals to travel with him. So what is the basic thing? Still now we understood that narrator's grandfather found a monkey. The monkey was in a very miserable condition with the tanga driver, so he felt pity of this monkey and he brought this monkey from this tanga driver for rupees 5. But this monkey was very mischievous, so he began to damage all the goods of the house. At first, grandfather thought that let the monkey should be kept alone with them in their house. But when he found that it was not fit to be remain in the house, to keep in the house, as he destroyed, damaged lots of things, so he was sent to he was transferred to his private zoo. But there also he created the problems because he could not allow the other animals to sleep. This is the one part. And the second part, an incident happened that grandfather, the narrator's grandfather, has to go to the Saharanpur to collect his pension. So he carried with him this Toto. As you know, cannot be kept there. So but what happened? The ticket collector demand you will have to be pay the ticket for this dog. He called it as a dog because I told you, because there is no list there that the monkey is in his list to charge for this ticket. Then he argued that it is not a dog, it is a monkey, so I cannot pay you this one, but no excuses, but he has to be paid rupees 3 for this one. So in the next lesson we'll see what are the more adventurous activities that Toto used to do and what is its fate at last. Thank you till then.